In this video of Hien, Old Town Hanoi, I just want to show you guys the difference between a 7 o'clock night and a 10 o'clock night. Now this video here was filmed on the same night, and we were here at 7 o'clock, and as you're walking through the street, you're encountering a lot of people, and they're asking you to come into the various restaurants, that kind of thing, because the crowd hasn't even gotten here yet. So I want to show you guys the difference between a 7 o'clock night and a 10 o'clock. And this is probably one of the busiest streets in Old Town Hanoi at this time. It's basically one of the party streets, so if you're in Old Town and you're looking to party, then this is the spot you want to come to. So if you're ever in Old Town, please stop by here. It's worth checking out, and there's a lot of shops, there's a lot of places to eat, restaurants, that kind of thing. Any type of food you want, from pizza to traditional Vietnamese food, is here. Just watch some of the places that you go to and check the prices before you sit down, because some of these can be very pricey for Vietnam. We actually ate at one of the restaurants where they had cheeseburgers and pizza and that kind of thing, and I think it was $25 or $30 US to eat there, which in Vietnam is very expensive. Coming up on the Cocoa Bar, and for example here I'm going to show you what it looked like at 7 p.m. It was earlier in the video, but here's the amount of people, and then all of a sudden this is 7 p.m. so there wasn't many people out here, but now as you can see there's a lot more people. So if you want to come down here and you're not looking to party, come down here around 7 o'clock or before, but I wouldn't come much later than 8 p.m. or else you're going to run into the crowds. Here we're coming up on the city center of Old Town. As you can see, there's a lot of street vendors, people out everywhere. It's very busy, and it was a lot more crowded than it was at 7 p.m. So just want to give you this as just a kind of a heads up, so if you guys are in the area or plan a trip here, then this is something to think about if you want to avoid the crowd. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.